AB European cruise to Roro, 2,850 euros net to Embark 975. Those of you sailing in Europe, cruise ships, flag of convenience, now is your chance to move towards Italian flag, 2,850 euro net, 4 months Embark with the full cover, Social Security, Italian. You need to have this certificate 25AB. Apply urgently within Candina because we are having a huge shortage. European seafarers today are missing. The last Mohicans can apply today here for Roro ships from 30,000 tons to 67,000 tons, Mediterranean trade, Barcelona to Italy. Therefore, you don't need to sail international waters. You can be very close to your family. Apply urgently now. If you are sailing within cruise ships, that it is massive people around. If you want to have a Roro, just 20-25 crew on board, apply today urgently in Candina Crew Inspector link. Thank you very much indeed. Bye.